Hi everyone, my name is Og CV Coach here. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today on this channel. And now today we're going to be discussing about sales. If you've not watched my previous video on sales or how to sell something, please watch the video. And I believe that there will be so much that you're going to learn from it. Now, if this is your first time of being in this channel, maybe you need to just become my friend. Please, if this is your first time of being here, please why don't you hit the notification button up here so that you get notified when I come in with different videos, or subscription button here. You can hit the subscribers button so that you become a subscriber to this channel. I will appreciate it. Thank you so much for being here. And now today I'm going to be talking about how to sell anything to anyone, anybody at any price. I'll repeat that again. How to sell anything to anyone, anybody, anywhere, at any price. That's what I'm going to be talking about today. There's so much we're going to look at. So where to start the sales and how you move into the sales. So I will advise that you stay tuned and let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you need to know when it comes to sales is your attitude. What's your belief? What do you have in you? What do you carry in you about what you want to sell? So you must believe in not just your organization, but you must believe in yourself. You must believe in your organization. You must believe in your organization's motive. You must believe in your organization's vision. You must believe in your organization's statements. So, in other words, whatever your organization believe in, that should be your focus. That's one thing about sales. So your attitude about your organization matters a lot. Because you see, you can't sell goods if your focus on your organization is not positive. It's just like your organization gives you a book to sell and you're going to sell the book for the organization. First of all, you need to believe that whoever is going to use this book will get the benefits of using the book. So it's important for you to believe in your organization. Believe in what your organization believe in. Believe in the vision statement of your organization, or believe in the vision of the organization. Believe in the vision statement of your organization. Believe in the leaders of the organization, and believe in your workers, the people who are working with you. That you know what, if we bring this client in, we will deliver what we want to deliver to this client. It's very important. So your attitude towards what you want to sell matters a lot. Your attitude towards your organization matters a lot. Because you see, we were talking about how to sell anything to anyone, anywhere, at any price. It matters a lot because you see, you're going to go out there with the belief that, the product I have with me from my organization is one of the best, or is even the best. So other organizations might have the same product. Other organizations might have the same thing, but for you, you just know that, my organization is the best. So that mentality, that attitude is what you take in when you want to meet somebody or you want to do some sales. And with that, you know quite well that, yes, I am ready to do this sales. I'm ready to make sure it happens just the way I want it to be. So that should be your focus. I'll be right back. You see, the book of Romans chapter 12, verse 11 says something. It says, not slothful in business. In other words, when you carry that belief about yourself, when you carry that belief with you, and you speak it out, others will believe you. Because the thing about sales is this: do you believe in the product you want to sell? Do you believe? Can you guarantee the product that you want to sell? Can you stay for sure that, when you use this product, it's going to bring the desired results for you? So if you have that mentality and you work with that mentality, and you speak it forth and make others realize that, this is what I want to do. This is how my product is. This is where I'm going with this product. Others will believe you. Because you see, sales comes through conviction. Conviction of yourself. Conviction that, what I'm selling now will bring the desired results that people need. Others will come in. But if you don't have faith in your products, if you don't have faith in what you sell, it's going to be a little bit difficult. It's going to be very, very difficult. So it's important, that you focus on making sure that everything that you're going to sell whatever you're selling, you already have the conviction in yourself that, you know what, this product I'm selling is the best product. So others will believe in you. So you first have to believe in yourself, believe in your organization, believe in your team, believe in the people you're working with. You know, carrying that attitude about your organization, you bring it into your products, and then you believing in that product, others will believe you and say, okay, yeah, this is the product that sells. This is what I want to go for, and this is what I want to do. And you find that as you begin to sell the product, as people, because you believe in it, the words that comes out of your mouth are convincing. Your action, your body language, they are convincing. Someone can easily look at you and say, wow, you know what? I want this product because this man has so much testimony about it. I'm going to come to that. So I'll tell you about what you need to do to make sure that you can sell anything to anywhere, at anyone, at any place, at any price. Now, one other thing I want to tell you about is your belief. What is your belief about your product? How much can you how much trust do you have for your product? Can you emphatically say that, you know what, my product is one of the best? No. Or yes. So what's your belief about your product? Have you used it? Or you're just telling people about to use it when you've not used it? That's the thing you have to ask yourself. Because you see, the next thing is this. If you believe so much in your products and you believe in that, you know, you're using it will bring the desired results for you, then your focus should be on having testimonials as a result of the usage of these products. The testimonials are the ones you're going to get from people and yourself for how you have used this product. There's no need telling other people about the product when you yourself don't have a testimony about the products. Now, one other thing I want to tell you is testimonials. Testimonials are so important in product sales. Very, very important. And most times it's important, you know, I'll say, let the testimonial speak before you come in on stage to speak. That's why you have people who do reviews. That's why you have people doing products, short videos for products. You know, people want to find out if it can benefit this person, it can benefit me. Testimonials, very important. Get them as much as you want, positive testimonials. And if there's any one that is negative, ask the person, how can we make it better? What do we do to make it better? Process of asking the person, how can we make it better? You are able to now rectify any issues that you notice as a result of the use of the product. It could be that the person was not happy with the product. It could be that the person was not happy with the salesperson. But testimonials, very important. The same thing, if you have a YouTube channel, you find that people are leaving comments in the bottom. Those are comments you say, but most of them are testimonials. They are testimonies of how the people have listened to you, of how they've used it. That's why we tell people, please leave a comment down below. Leave a comment below. If you feel that, you know what, this product or this video has benefited you, or you think that there is something we need to say that we didn't say, leave a comment below. Please leave it. It benefits us too. Because you see, testimonials will set you on the path in which you need to now follow. Is it that it's not working, or what should I do? So by the time you have so many people saying the same thing about a particular product that you want to bring in, then you now find out, you find a way to make it work. You find a way to work at it. You find a way to make sure that you are able to now make that product a better product for people to use. So I've said something. Number one, your attitude. Then number two, I've said your belief. Now I'm saying the testimonials, very important. Get people's reviews, get people's statements, get people's comments. Let them say something about the product. How good is the product? Or what benefit will the product be to them? How can they make it better? You know, so what should they use? How can they go about making sure that, you know, how can you go about making sure that this product, when it gets into the market, you have less people complaining? Because you've had so many people complain about it. So any other person complain about it because of the solution that you put in place. When someone complains about it, you can know what to do and how to go about it. Okay. Now, in talking about testimonials, how can you sell a product to somebody that you have not used? You need to be the first benefactor of your product. You need to be the first person that will use the product, that will able to say, you know what, I've used this product and this was what happened for me. When you have things like that, on your video, on your products, about your anything you brought online, people will be convinced about it. So you could have a video made. How did it benefit you? Did you just make the video because you wanted to make it? Those are the things you need to think about. Or you made it because you know quite well that as it has benefited you, it will benefit someone else. One thing I always tell people, I work as a health and safety consultant as well as a personal performance development coach and entrepreneur, and one thing I tell you people is this: if you don't have a testimony concerning your own life, how is it going to convince other people? So you need to try the product first. You go out there, get the product. So you be the first person that will sell to yourself and say, you know what, I'm selling this to myself, and I know quite well that by the time I sell this to myself, I'm going to get something out of it. So you be the first person. And I always tell my students when I train them, for 6 months, go on sales or marketing business or courses. I'll take that again. For 6 months or more or less, depending on your ability to catch up, go on sales or marketing course. Very important. I had to go on the marketing course. I was looking at this guy sell this mobile phone just on the street. He's able to convince you from the street to the store to sign up an agreement for you to have a mobile phone. You might have one already, but he's giving you a better deal. What's it really doing? He's selling the products to you. So how can you tell somebody the benefit of a product when you don't have a testimony yourself? That's the first thing you have to look at. Always look at what benefit is my product to me? Of what benefit is my video to me? Of what benefit is this class to me? Of what benefit is this training to me? Of what benefit is this product I'm going to buy on the street or sell to somebody on the street to me? Once you can locate the benefits, then you know more about the product. You know the intricacy of the product, and then you can develop a methodology on how you're going to sell. Very, very important. How to sell anything to anyone at anywhere at any price. That's what we're talking about here. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the power of communication. Jim Rohn said something of blessed memory. He said something, he said, learn the power of communication. It's very important. The reason for the power of communication is because, you see, with words, you make things happen. With words, you buy life. With words, you can achieve anything you want to achieve. The power of communication, very important. In sales, that must be your focus. That power of communication, being able to communicate the importance, the efficacy of the product to somebody else is very, very important. So as a salesperson, once you have the power of communication, you can achieve anything you want to achieve. You can be anything you want to be. You can convince the person to buy the product because, number one, your attitude. Remember, I said your attitude, your belief, then I said your testimonies. Now I'm not talking about communication, how you're able to communicate it, because you can have those three things, but if you don't have this particular one, the power of communication, you can't convince the person to get the product. You can't convince the person to buy the product. We're talking about how you can sell anything to anyone at any place at any price. The power of communication is very important. You've seen that guy come up with a video. He comes up, his presentation is excellent, but he has not been able to communicate anything. Because why? Attitude, belief, testimonies didn't come in. Once you have those things in place, you're sure to win. You're sure to get that product out. That's the focus. You see, when somebody comes to you and say, can you sell me this thing at any price? How are you going to sell something you don't believe in? How are you going to sell something when you can't communicate effectively? So the power of communication is so important that if you can master the use of words, you'll make it. Jim Rohn said something, he said, don't be lazy in words. Don't be lazy in words. So if you're not lazy in words, you get it. You make it happen. Concluding, you see, all the while you were talking, the people were talking to you today. You're asking them the questions and they are giving you the right answer. Now, note all those questions. That's where your testimonial comes in again. Note all the questions they've asked and give them the right answer. You see, when you are able to now put all those questions and this answer together, it brings you into that arena of the person who wants to buy your product. So in other words, because they're asking the questions and you are listening, always make sure you listen. That's one skill you need to have. Listen, let the person talk. Let them tell you their opinion. Let them bring out how they feel, what they think that you should have done about the product. So as it comes out, you are taking note of everything coming on. And as you take note of it, you find that those things that is the focus, those things that they brought about, that will not be what you're going to work on in getting the product ready for them to buy again. Now, I'm here. My name is Og CV Coach here, and I'm here every time on this channel. Now, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscription button. And if you want to get notification every time of when I come in, hit the notification button up there. And if you've got a comment that you feel that, you know what, we need to hear this comment, leave the comment down below. Thank you so much, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Remember, you can sell anything to anyone at anywhere, at any point in time, at any price, but depends on your individual competence. I'll see you then, and bye for now.